Hello friends, in the theoretical session, we have discussed about Seagate firmware architecture and UART. Now, let us discuss about it practically. Here we have a UART. If we want to repair the Seagate hard disk firmware, then this type of USB serial connector is needed. The front portion of serial connector, this is a USB connector. And in the back side, it has multiple pins. Here are some LED and registers are fixed. Here capacitors are connected. And here in the middle portion an IC is connected. This is CP2102 USB function controller IC. In the back portion of this connector, all the pin out are marked on PCB. First pin is 3.3 volt supply pin out. Second is RST pin. Third is TX pin. Fourth is RX pin. Fifth is ground pin. And sixth one is 5 volt supply pin. For Seagate repairing, we need TX, RX, and ground pin only.